Parmigiano Reggiano.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
When you put in pasta, you have to circle it. This is for just one person.
Never break spaghetti.
Never.
Why?
Never.
But
Never. Never. Whatever you want to call it, but well done.
So almost like brown
Yeah.
until oil disappears.
No.
Nope.
The oil has to be there. The secret is to take a little bit of water and put it here. Just in case.
9 minutes.
Okay, almost done. You want to put it back here. This here. Okay. You dry the pasta and you put it here.
Yes.
Here. So this is all the grease, but it's kind of oily, so the pasta doesn't stick together. This is cream. This is carbonara.
Real
Real
carbonara
carbonara.
in Italy.